I'm back with another vlog. Welcome back to my real life vlogs. You guys see me out here with the curly wig. This is the wig from my last vlog. All I did was just wet it and put some coconut cream on it just to give it a little shine, and that is it. That is the look. We're gonna make it safely. You guys, it's a light snowstorm, and it's light for Chicago, but for everywhere else it'll probably be like a major snowstorm. But we're gonna get a couple inches here, and so it has started. The neighborhood we live in, honey, they don't really do the snow removal all that quick. That's what I do miss about Chicago. But anyway, we're on our way to Meijer, you guys. I'm stopping by Meijer because I need to stock up on some period products. The ending of a period and the beginning of a period are two totally different things. One is predictable and one is not. How many times have you guys ended your period and then you forgot to get new products, and then by the time the next period came, you were like completely out? And Always in Tampax just wants to remind you guys to stock up on your period products, your feminine care products. So in this segment of the vlog, I'm gonna be just stocking up on my period products and taking you guys along with me, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some cool news that you definitely wanna take advantage of while you can. And so this part of the vlog is sponsored by Always in Tampax. Start the new year right by stocking up on period products. Head to your local Meijer store to redeem an exclusive discount. Buy 3 packs of Always and/or Tampax products and get $4 off your purchase now through January 19th. You don't even need a coupon because the discount is applied directly at checkout, so it's super easy to stock up. All right, you guys, I'm back home and everything. I got my new period products. I'm about to go put upstairs in my bathroom drawer so that I always have them, honey. That's a really good tip, just to be stocked and ready. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready, okay? I also stocked up on some stuff for Ann and whatnot. I just took that opportunity to just get some groceries and stuff. So let me show you guys what I'm making for dinner tonight. So it's still snowing outside, still kind of storming, so I wanted to make something really cozy and delicious. This is a recipe that my mom actually shared with me. It's a Tuscan soup, and it was inspired by something that she tasted at the Olive Garden a couple of years ago, and she's been kind of making it ever since. So I'm gonna attempt to make it for my family today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, but that's what I'm cooking. It's still snowing pretty bad. This is the backyard. It's still snowing pretty good. We got some inches. I figured it would be nice to have like a nice hearty, comforting dinner tonight. So that's why I'm cooking a soup. Plus soups are easy and cheap and kind of quick. First thing I'm gonna do is cut away this film and just cook the inside part. Never say goodbye, we say hello. Fading. So here's where we are. I decided to go ahead and make a vegan version of the soup. I added carrots, which is kind of not the best idea because carrots have a tendency to overpower soups with the carrot flavor. So I'm not loving it, but the flavor's all intact, so I'm okay. And then this is the original soup here. I think the key with finishing this is just to make sure that the potatoes are nice and tender. You don't want them to break down fully because you don't want this to turn into a sauce, you know, because the potatoes will break down. But anyway, the starch from them is getting all in this broth. And so the final thing we're gonna do is add the kale and the cream. And I did add about 3 tablespoons of butter to this. Now I'm just coarsely tearing up some of this kale, because this is a rustic soup, so it doesn't have to be all perfectly chopped and all that. So everything can just be like really roughly done. So I'm just getting some nice bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to toss them in to both soups. Okay, Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for a couple minutes just to get it nice and toasty. But the idea will be to kind of just rip off the bread and take what you want to eat. All right, so this is the soup. And then I put a big piece of the French bread right on there. So that's it. And then this is mine. Yummy. All right, let's eat. Anthony is loving it. You love it, don't you? Mm-hmm. So good.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Finally hit me just 2 minutes.
Ooh, eh?
And it'll stay that way. The best rapper you've heard is LL Cool J.
Go in, go in, go in, go in.
I got care. Where you at? Come here, get over here. Get over here. Get over here. What happened to your daddy? Come here.
Hey, listen, I'm trying to cook here. I'm trying to cook here. Did the hairstyle today. Tried something new with some little braids. Usually we wear an afro. It's so cute. We love it. We love it. And wants to dance. She's in the dancing mood. Mom came over. She's gonna play in the snow with us. Right, Mom? Yes. She came over here with her Scrubs top. Where'd you get a Scrubs top?
Well, you know, I work in a hospital voluntarily sometimes.
You don't. Anna's gonna wear her snow boots that Grandpa got her from Menards. We're gonna play while Daddy shovels the snow. Come on, put on your gloves. It's a lot of snow out here. It's not too deep though, it's just like a nice coating, maybe 3 or 4 inches.
Oh, she took the glove off again. That's cold, Ann. Oh, give me a kiss then, my grandbaby.
We learned our lesson. Next time we go, we'll have different gloves that go all the way up the arm so that they don't keep on coming off, because her gloves kept on coming off. So that's what we'll do next time, Dinkadoodle. But otherwise, fun time. I am so excited about these poofs. Auntie Mina, my girlfriend, sent these to us in the mail. They are genuine leather from Morocco. They're not stuffed, so I gotta get some stuffing, but you guys, how beautiful. This is going to be the basis of the color scheme for Anne's new toddler makeover that I'm doing. Starting on this week with Anne's room, so I'm so excited. It's gonna be like this caramel brown with this tan color, and that's gonna be like the basis. I'm so excited. So both of these are going in her room.